Hi, and welcome to Olleyes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your VisuALL headset to Wi-Fi. Please make sure you have your Wi-Fi network's name and password available. Now let's get familiar with your remote. This is your home button, and this is your trigger button. Step 1. Turn on your headset. On the top of your ETS system, you'll see your power button. Press and hold until the light turns on. Step 2. Enter the settings menu. Once your headset is turned on, you'll see a message on screen that says connection not found. Now double press the home button on your remote to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Selecting your Wi-Fi network. With your remote, point towards the bottom right of the screen and select WLAN. In this screen, you should be able to find your Wi-Fi network. Hover over it and pull the trigger. Now, using your remote and virtual keyboard, enter the password for your network. When ready, hover over Connect Network and pull the trigger. You'll know when your headset's connected to the internet when this green check mark appears next to your Wi-Fi name. Click the X at the bottom and then click Continue. You're now connected to the internet.